How to check Facebook video views. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To check your Facebook video, this is very simple. If you are using your mobile device, just open up your Facebook application in your device. Now right over here, start off by launching your Instagram app and log in into your account. This will require your Facebook username and password. In your top right corner, you will see the three horizontal lines. Click on the given option. Once you are in the menu page, tap on your profile. From here, click on the videos to navigate to all of the videos. Now you can easily check your video views at the bottom. Here, as you can see in my current video, it shows that there has been 19 plays, which means the view of this video is 19. So this is how you can easily locate the video views on Facebook. If you are using on a desktop, the number of views will also be visible at the bottom of the video, just like over here. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.